everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a orzo chickpea salad that goes with anything that you would be making with it. It's a great side dish, so I hope you like it. So just stay tuned. Let me give you some idea of some of the ingredients you're going to need to make this orzo salad. You're going to need 1.5 cups of dry orzo, about 1/2 of a medium cucumber, which is 1 cup. You're going to need 1/2 cup of red onions, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. I have the different colored ones. I cut them in half. I have some sliced almonds, which is 1/4 cup. I have 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. I have 1 15-ounce can of rinsed and drained chickpeas. I have a handful of parsley that I chopped. I have a zest of 1 lemon, about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. So for our dressing, we need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. So our first step is we're going to boil our orzo. So my water is now boiling. Don't forget to put some salt in there. And I'm going to add my orzo. We're going to cook this for 9 minutes, and then we're going to drain it and let it cool. So our orzo is done, and I drained it and I put some cold water on it just to cool it off. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add our drained chickpeas. They're really good. They have some protein in them. I'm going to add our cucumbers. And our red onion. And I'm going to add our tomatoes. See how colorful it looks already? I'm going to add the zest of our lemon. That's about 1/2 teaspoon. I have our red pepper flakes. If you don't like those, leave it out. Some salt and pepper. We're going to add our cranberries now. And our parsley. Now we're just going to stir this up. I prefer this salad over anything that has mayonnaise in it, and you might as well. It's very good, it's colorful, it looks good. Now orzo looks like rice, but it's not, it's a pasta. And it's very good, it's good for you. Now we're just going to go ahead and stir this up as much as I can to get all of our vegetables in here. I also have another video of orzo salad, but it's made with grilled vegetables for summertime, so I'll link that for you in the bottom of the show notes. All right, that's good enough. Now we're going to make our dressing. So here we go with the dressing. I have our olive oil, our balsamic vinegar, our lemon juice, our garlic. If you don't like garlic, just use some garlic powder or just leave it out. This is our honey and our spices. Let's give this a nice whisk. Let's incorporate all those ingredients together. This is going to be really, really good. It has a lot of flavor, and we're going to put it on our salad now. Let's pour it all around. Now you don't want this dripping in dressing, okay? You don't want to see that accumulated at the bottom of the bowl. You just want it flavored. So it has a nice flavor, it's light, and this dish will go with any of the meats that you would be making: pork chops, pork tenderloin, sandwiches, game day food, chicken, of course, even fish. So it goes with everything. You can take it to lunch with you, just eat it the way that it is. Give it a taste. It might need a little bit more salt. if you want. I'm going to add a little bit of these almonds. You can use cashews or whatever else you want to use. And then I'm going to leave the rest for a garnish. A little bit of scallions. And then I'm going to serve this up for you. So I have it in our serving dish now. And I want to show you how to present this if you're going to take this to maybe a Super Bowl party or just have it for your family. If you decorate your food, it always looks like it's going to taste better, even for the kids. All right, so I have our almonds here. Just going to go ahead and put some around on the top. I'm not going to use them all. I have some scallions. If you don't like scallions, leave it out. Just put some of those on the top, the green parts. Okay. We have some parsley. Just going to put some of those leaves on it, not too many. You don't want to overdo it. And we have some lemon. Let me just stick some lemon pieces in there. Let me tell you what this is going to taste like. You're going to taste all the vegetables because it has a very light tasting of the dressing. Now, if you would want a heavier taste of the dressing, just double the dressing, okay? But don't add it all at once because you might overwhelm this salad. So a little bit at a time, but this is fantastic for any party or any meat dishes, or just eat it by itself, okay? So I hope you love this recipe. I hope you do try it. It's really easy to make. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.